What up, peeps, and welcome back to another quick little vlog, another quick little install. And by the title of the video, you can see I will be installing the Type R strut bar today. I'm actually on my way to Harbor Freight to pick up a pair of bolts and nuts in order to install it. I'm gonna see if I get something really nice. The problem is that I was chasing down the original OEM Type R bolts, but I really couldn't find them. I went to Honda Automotive online and I couldn't find them. But I thought to myself, maybe I'm gonna order some bolts from like Downstar or maybe Speed Factory, some of those like new raw titanium bolts, which I have a couple coming in, and then I'm gonna end up throwing those away. So I just said, you know what, for now I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight, pick up some real nice little bolts, put the strut bar on, give you guys a quick install, and yeah, that's about it for now. Come along, and I hope you guys like it. Let's go. All right, so I just made it back home. I got the washers, I got the nuts. I'll show you guys which they are. Right now I'm actually gonna jack up the car, start taking out the tires, and start taking out the fender liner, the inside for the protector. Since this car is like OEM everything and it has everything, I'm just gonna put it on. Andy was just telling me right now, but I wanted to show you a small little detail. Since I took my radiator, since I took my radio and it's currently there, opens and closed, but this came in also, and I no longer have that nasty hole that was there. I also bought the EK, the JDM cluster. What am I talking? I bought the EK clock, the JDM one, the amber one, and I also bought the coin pocket that goes on the other side of the steering wheel. And yeah, that's about it. So that's kind of coming along. And I gotta replace some of these plastics because some of these plastics are kind of just worn and old. So yeah, let's go ahead and start jacking up the car, taking out the tires, and yeah, let's install a strut bar. I'm motivated to do it, so let's do it.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, and you deserve a better man. But let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we.
These are the bolts that I got. I got them with the Allen head in the top, but as you can see, the hole needs to be bigger. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep drilling, make the hole bigger, get that side done, and yeah, that's about it. I'm actually going back and forth with different bits to actually make the hole and make it look very nice and OEM looking. Thank God that they had the tabs on there. If not, it would have been a pain in the butt. But yeah, let's continue. All right, so I'm on my way to the auto parts. I kind of ran into a little bit of problem. These screws are actually pretty big, so my drill bit is not as big for the hole here in the tip of the screw. So I'm on the way to the auto parts to pick up a drill bit that's kind of that big. I can't even speak English today. I'm super tired from work. Anyway, so once the car gets painted and the engine bay gets painted, then I'll probably do a little bit of body work where the holes are for the strut bar, and I'll make new ones that look very nice and look better. My friend Andy works at a shop, and he was telling me we'll wall something on it, we'll bondle it, make the the engine bay look nice, and then we'll reopen the holes once we do that, and we'll make it really nice and make them really good, even though they look good right now. But yeah, I'm almost done with that. I just gotta get an extra drill bit. Let's go ahead and go to the auto parts and get it done, because I mean, we're still in daylight saving time, but it's almost actually going down, and I'm gonna want to get the nighttime on it. So yeah, let's go ahead. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let's go. All right, just picked up the drill bit. $7 for one drill bit. Destroyed. They friggin' made a hole in one with me. But anyways, I'm gonna use it again, so it's no big deal. I should definitely be able to get a set of drill bit for metal, because I don't have any. And that's about it. This is actually it right here. That's a drill bit. It's a 3/8. I'm gonna use that. It's actually getting a little bit dark already. I'm gonna see if I can finish it up. It's like 7:45 with this whole daylight saving time. You think it's kind of early because it's it's actually like daylight out, but it's actually like 7:45, 7:30, 8 o'clock, and it's still daylight, which is, it's actually great. When I used to play soccer, that was like the best time, because it'll be 8 o'clock and it'll still be daylight again. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. I just noticed that the bolts don't really look good with that strut bar. They're kind of maybe a little bit thick. I'm gonna have to either call Downstar tomorrow or Speed Factory, see if they have some other bolts that are maybe a little bit more flat or a little bit more flush, or maybe something that's with that raw titanium, that's kind of like in style right now, like everyone's kind of using that, and it looks pretty nice. I'm not a fan of that whole colory bolts type. I'm not really like all purple or all orange around the engine bay. That's not kind of my style. But yeah, that's about it. Again, don't vlog and drive. As you can see, I'm freaking moving the camera everywhere, but I'm actually in my neighborhood. There's not a lot of traffic. But yeah, don't vlog and drive. Let's go ahead and finish that. Let's do it. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day of installing the strut bar. It was pretty dark and I pretty much had no light, so I had to just finish it up. And yeah, that's about it. I know that the back of the firewall is super dirty because my friends have been telling me, but yeah, this is a strut bar installed, and actually I know it goes the other way, so I gotta take them out and put it the other way. But I'm gonna do it for another day. I'm just gonna pretty much end the vlog here for the Type R strut bar installed. But yeah, that's about it. Make the 2 holes, put the other bolts over there. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of that. I probably said it like 4 times already, but for now these will do. I'm gonna see if I could get some more later on from Downstar or whatever, but I've said that a million times in this vlog already. And I just gotta take it off, flip it the other way, and that's about it. It looks pretty good, I gotta say. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks you for tuning in, and let's go.